What's the meaning of childlike? Childlike. Childlike.
Childlike. Childlike. The word childlike is an adjective that describes someone or something which has qualities similar to those of a child. It typically suggests innocence, simplicity, and a sense of wonder and joy in the world. A childlike person might be described as playful, curious, and open-minded, with a tendency to find joy in small things. However, it can also imply an immaturity, lack of experience or naivety that may not always be appropriate for an adult. In essence, being childlike is often associated with positive qualities, but it's important to maintain a balance.